How are you all? Hope you all are staying well at home. You are listening to Mama, listening to Papa, right? Today I have come over here. Which class I will take now? Can you guess? Correct. Today being Thursday, we will do EVS. And what's the full form? Environmental Studies. Environmental Studies. Okay? So, how many of you are listening to ma'am and keeping yourself neat and clean? How many of you are doing? Let me guess. I know everybody is trying to do that, right? Now you have to keep yourself neat and clean. Wear neat, clean clothes, right? Keep your hands always clean. Wash before and after eating. Whenever you touch something which comes from outside, immediately sanitize your hand or wash it with soap. Then always use one nail cutter to keep your nails trimmed. Okay, you will always keep your nails clean. Okay, use nail cutter. Otherwise, when you eat, all these dirt will get inside your stomach and stomach will pain. Okay, next, you should take bath regularly. Use soap and wash your hands, face, hair properly. Wipe yourself properly. Keep yourself dry after taking bath, right? And what else? Like for example, after eating, you should take your plate and keep it in the wash basin. Okay, always keep it in the wash basin so that mama can take care of those plates, wash it nicely and keep it nicely so that germs can't affect that. Okay, so these are the things UKG you should follow every time. Another very important thing, when you get up early in the morning to do the classes and when you used to come to school, that is important. Then you used to brush your teeth, no? Yes, I know. So you are doing it now also. When you get up, freshen up. That is very important. Very much compulsory. You will brush your teeth with what? With a brush, with a paste, right? And after brushing, then floss. Clean nicely inner part of your mouth. Clean it nicely. Keep your teeth neat and clean, white in color. Clear? So these are the things my UKG children are doing. But now in EVS, what shall we do? We will just go through the chapter once again and let's see what are the exercises. So let's get started, UKG. You can see this chapter, no? Keep clean. Now what am I going to do here? Do you know? You will take out this page quickly, page number 22. Right here, date. What is the date? 2/9/29, 4/2/1/21. Done? Now see the first picture. Toothbrush with paste is given. Second picture, soap is given to you. Then ball, then nail cutter. This is nail cutter. Then plate, comb, book, shampoo. But what will you do with these pictures? Let's see. Tick what you use to keep yourself clean. This is important. Yes, to keep yourself clean, what things do you use? Let's see. Do you use a toothbrush with paste? Yes or no? Early morning. Yes, I do. I know my UKG children also will do the same thing. Okay, next. Do you use this soap to wash your and clean your hands? Yes. Also while taking bath. So tick mark. Very good. Next picture. This ball. Do you use this to keep yourself clean? No. Ball is used for play. So this is wrong. Give a cross. Quickly give a cross. Nail cutter. What do you think? Yes. Just now I said no. Nail cutter is very important. Keep your nails trimmed. So it's important to keep our nails trimmed. Done. What do you think about plate? Do you use plate to keep yourself clean? No. You don't use plate to keep yourself clean. So it's a cross. It's a cross. Next, comb. Comb, of course you use. Why you use? To keep yourself neat and clean, to look smart, right? So after taking bath, you have to comb your hair. So it's correct. Tick mark. Next, this is a book. Book is to study. This is a book. So we are studying, right? So book is not used for cleaning purpose. So it's wrong. But yes, of course, shampoo we use. We apply shampoo. Why? To keep our hair clean, right? So it is correct. So what are the names we have got from here to keep ourselves clean? Toothpaste, brush, soap, nail cutter, comb and shampoo. Let's do the spelling. Brush, B-R-U-S-H. Okay, B-R-U-S-H. Next, S-O-A-P, soap. Next, N-A-I-L, nail, C-U-T-T-E-R, cutter, nail cutter. Comb, C-O-M-B, C-O-M-B. Next one, shampoo, S-H-A-M-P-O-O, shampoo, S-H-A-M-P-O-O, shampoo. So, UKG, did you all get what we have done today? We have seen the pictures, right? And these things you use at home, right? So you always see, it's not about we are doing it in EVS class. You should always practice these habits. These are good habits, okay? So you should always regularly take care of your health, keep yourself neat and clean. That's very important. And teach others also to do that, okay? So tick mark done. Now I will send my answer in the telegram, okay? So you just go through that, okay? So today till this much. Meet you tomorrow in GK class. Take care. Bye bye.